So we've created a tool that will allow you to create any kind of AI tool on your WordPress website. So it's the tool that creates AI tools. Anything you can imagine, anything you can visualize that you can, put on your website. It's kind of like magic. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So you install Maker, M-A-I-K-E-R. So you can see what I've done with the spelling there. And then you put in the OpenAI API key in your settings there and press save. And then you go to tools, and if you've got no tools, you just see an empty list of tools, and you just click add new tool. And then what you want to do is name the tool. So today I'm going to create a email responder. So I'm going to allow the user to put in an email and then select from a drop down how they want the response to be, and then click generate, and it will generate a response. So I'm going to call it email responder, and then I'm going to put in enter the email, and I'll craft the perfect response. And the first field is going to be a text area, and I'm going to call this text area email, and I'm going to put the label as enter the email here. And then the next field or input is going to be drop down, and I'm going to call this tone, and I'm going to put select tone of voice, and then in there I'm going to put friendly, angry, professional, weird. Any more I could use? Friendly, angry, professional, weird. I'm going to put loving. And then here's the prompt area. So this is what we want to send to the AI. This is how we want the tool to work. This is the back end. So basically we're going to say, just like using ChatGPT, you'd say, please create a response to the email below in a tone, square brackets. I'm using the name of the field, tone, colon, and then I'm going to put the email there. So as you can see, I'm using the names of the fields, and then I'm creating a prompt, and you imagine these variables or these inputs will change to whatever the user has put in. So if they choose friendly, the prompt will say, please create a response to the email below in a friendly tone. I need to add the word tone at the end there. In a friendly tone. And then the email will be pasted in below. Okay, so I'm going to save this tool, and then it gives me a shortcode. Now I can put this shortcode anywhere on my WordPress site. I just so happen to have a page here which is I'm using for tests. So I'm going to save that. This should now have my new tool on it once it's saved. So I'm going to go here. Okay, so here it is. Email responder. Enter the email and I'll craft the perfect response. Okay, enter the email here and select the tone of voice. So I'm just going to see if I can pull out an email. Let me pick one with a bit more substance. Just picking this one. It's quite short, but let's just see what it comes up with. So someone shared me a video. They won't mind me saying this. It's not really a personal email, but pretty rare to get a straight insight into Teal's analytical ability. Immense. Joe, I thought you might appreciate this too. So I just want to give them a friendly response. So my tool has already given me all the inputs. I've got the drop down. There we go. Look. Hey there. I'm glad you found Teal's analytical ability impressive. It's always fascinating to gain insight, blah, blah, blah. There we go. We've got the full response there. We can copy and paste. Now, we can add more fields to this, like what is your name, and, how would you like to sign this off? Would you like to sign it off casually, or, would you like to sign off professionally? So there's more fields we can add. Let's see how this changes if we put this into an angry tone. I'm absolutely appalled at your email. How dare you suggest that I would appreciate anything related to Teal's so-called analytical ability? So there you go. It's giving an angry response. So you can see how easy this is to create tools. Think of all the things you can create just by giving the user the inputs. You then get a tool on your website that you can share, industry-specific ones. I can think of loads and loads and loads of different types of tools you can create with this. And yeah, we're certainly going to have some fun using this. It's absolutely free at the moment. We're just going to give this away. So yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts on what you build and what you think of the tool and any suggestions for it too. Nice one.